Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use draw tools in Propwire. So to use draw tools in Propwire, you have to go to the Propwire website. Make sure you log in into your account using your email and password. Then from the dashboard you have to click the search property option. Then next thing to do is to find the draw tools. So look for the map tools on the right or the top side of the map, then click the pencil icon or the button labeled draw. Then after that you have to draw your area, so click on the map to start drawing. Outline the exact area you want to search by clicking around the map. Then once done, connect your last point to the starting point to complete the shape. Then after that you have to apply your search. So after drawing, Propwire will automatically show all properties within your selected area. Then next thing to do is to add filters. So once you're done with the search applicancy, you have to add a filter. So use the filter property type and the owner type or sales status to narrow your search even further. Then after that you can save the draw area for future search or clear it to start over anytime. And that's how you can easily use draw tools to search for properties in Propwire. I'll find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.